Good morning everyone. Class 5th, lesson number 7. Lesson number 7, down the volcano. आज हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और शेयर करना। देखिए पार्ट आ, हु आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन एंड टू whom आंसर द Reuters asked this question to his uncle. Second, what was being discussed just before the speaker's question answer? The narrator's uncle was discussing the luggage that would be carried into the pit. Question number 3, how did the listeners respond to the speaker's question answer? The narrator's uncle told him that there was no need to carry the clothing and the pile of ropes and ladders. D. What happened to the clothing and the pile of the ropes and ladders? Answer. The objects along with the other unbreakable things were tied into a single packet and dropped into the hole. इसी का सेकंड है यो। इसका फर्स्ट देखिए ए पार्ट, हु स्पोक दिस वर्ड, हुज क्वेश्चन वाज द स्पीकर आंसरिंग आंसर। द नरेटर्स अंकल सैड दिस वर्ड इन स्पोकन टू द नरेटर्स। पार्ट बी, वेयर वर दे एट दिस टाइम आंसर, दे वर एट द बॉटम ऑफ द क्रेटर्स। सी देखिए आगे, what did they decide to do after this conversation? Answer. They decided to eat and sleep and look in a tunnel the next day. D. What did Axel say when he later lay down to sleep? Answer. Axel say the star beta of the constellation's little bear. पार्ट बी है जो क्वेश्चन आंसर अब वो करते हैं। Question 1, what happened to Axel when he looked into the crater before the descent began? Answer. When Axel looked into the crater, his head started spinning and the group went. Second, how did Professor Lindenbrock solve the प्रॉब्लम दे वे फेसिंग विद द रोप? देखिए मैंने आंसर यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ, आप यहाँ से देखकर अपनी नोटबुक के ऊपर कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। थर्ड देखिए, हाउ डिड प्रोफेसर लेम्ब्रोक डिवाइड द थिंग्स दे वर गोइंग टू कैरी डाउन विद देम? आंसर. प्रोफेसर लेडनब्रॉक divided the breakable thing into 3 packages with includes food, firearms and tools. Question number 4, halfway down the pit, what did Axel say when he looked up toward the mouth of the crater? What reason did he give for this? Answer. He saw that the mouth of the crater had become quite small. The reason for this was as the wall rose up towards the mouth, they seemed as if they were coming together. Last question है हमारा, how did Axel calculate that it was 11 o'clock when they were about to reach the bottom of the crater? Answer. Axel calculated that they used the rope 14 times, taking half and half each time. They also took 14 rest period of 15 minutes since they had left at 1 o'clock. Axel calculated that they reached the bottom in then in 10 and a half hours at 11 o'clock. Now complete the question answer of this lesson.